Laulam means it's like we become very much greedy in achieving some success or receiving something sometime. We become mad. That is equal. Laulam ekamullam. To achieve Krishna consciousness perfectly, this ecstatic eagerness or greediness to serve Krishna, that is the only prize to achieve success in devotion. That is the only prize. Not money, not anything, not prestige, not good parentage, not beauty, nothing. Simply this ecstatic, intense desire. How I shall get Krishna? That is the Krishna. That is the example of the gopis. Intense desire. Tatra laulam ekamullam. Na janma koti, nalabhate janma koti vishukriti. This ecstatic desire that this life I shall get recognition by Krishna, that I have sacrificed everything for Krishna. This is the one.